Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys today and I'm really excited about it. Also, I am planning to do a updated Stitch Fix versus Trunk Club, so stay tuned for that. I have a trunk coming pretty soon. I feel like Stitch Fix and Trunk Club have both changed a lot since I did my Stitch Fix versus Trunk Club video, so I feel like it's time for an updated showdown. So here we go, let's get into this Stitch Fix. I actually haven't peeked, which I usually do, I'm not gonna lie. But I literally just got home from work and this was on my doorstep, so. Okay, we have our price sheet. Glancing at the price sheet, it looks pretty dang good. I'm just gonna say right now that, so if you buy everything, you get a 25% discount. And if I bought everything in this trunk, it'd only be $165. So that's pretty good. This is my bundle of clothes. Okay. Ooh, this first top is super soft. The colors feel very like fall. This is really, really soft. This is by Mix by 41 Hawthorne. I've gotten a couple things from this brand before. So let me hold it up for you. It is this like Henley top, which is like burgundy and gray. Oh, the sleeves are even like that. This gray part is super, super soft. I think this is really cute. What size is this? Okay. Similar to the top I have on right now. This is really cute, but I feel like the colors are too like fall. Do you guys agree? I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to resist how soft this is though. So that top is $34, so it's a pretty good price point. Next we have a black knit top. Okay, we've got some cutout details. Can y'all see that in the sleeve? So that might be cute. How low is this V? We'll see when I try it on. This is pretty soft. This is by Luck, and it is the Joelle cutout detail knit top. And it is $36, so again, a great price point. This is where Stitch Fix is really doing well lately. So I'll be curious to see if I like this on, I don't know. Next, blue and white stripes, super big this spring. And this is kind of like a knit material. It is DJ and Juju Leadgate tie front off the shoulder knit top. Tie fronts and blue and white stripes are super big this season, so this will be really cute to try on. That one is $38. Liking the prices. Good job. Ooh, okay. We've got some chiffon. I think this is an overlay. Emery Park, familiar with that brand. This is the Kaylee kimono, $34. Great price. So it is just kind of like a standard cut of this kimono. I can't really show you, you'll have to see it on. I kind of like the colors in this. Kind of muted and not so like bam in your face like this lipstick. Okay. Last we have a pair of boyfriend jeans, which is something I specifically asked for. These are by the brand Cut, is that right? Cut from the Cloth, Kate Distressed Boyfriend, and they're $78. So kind of, I guess, mid-range price for jeans. There's like a tiny bit of distressed detail and then like pretty good like cuff. I did actually just buy some jeans from American Eagle, so bad timing for me. I kind of forgot I scheduled this fix. But that is everything I got in this Stitch Fix. It's time to try everything on and see what we like, what we're gonna send back. So let's do that. Okay, this is the Henley top. It is way too tight for my liking. I like things to fit a bit more loose, and this is just very tight. So it's a no. It's a no for me, but let's just dive into the next things. Okay, this is the black knit top. I actually really like these cutouts a lot more than I thought I would. It definitely has like a looser fit than the Henley I just tried on. Sorry, that tag was sticking out. Sorry if that bugs y'all. It kind of bugs me. I like this. It's cute. I don't know if it's worth keeping. I don't know. But I think it's cute. I think it's flattering, maybe. I'm kind of digging this. But I am more excited to try this blue and white stripey on, so let's do that. Okay, this is the blue and white little tie top. I just pulled like the straps of my bra down, so if it looks weird here, that's why. Yeah, this top is cute. I don't know that I like love it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it a keeper or is it a pass? I feel like if I'm unsure, then it's probably a no. I feel like maybe if I had the right bra on, it might be different. Let's just fix my straps. I feel like that looks better. What do you guys think? Keep, send back. Let me know. I just realized I filmed, or thought I was filming the whole clip of the jeans and the tunic, or the overlay, and I was not filming. So these are the jeans. Not in love with them. I don't really like the big cuff at the bottom, and I actually feel like they're maybe a little too big. Like I feel like I'm kind of between sizes. So gonna pass on these, and let me show you the overlay. This is the overlay. I know it looks a little goofy like over my Henley, but just go with me here. I really like the colors in it, but I kind of wish that there was like more fabric in the front so it was a little drapier, because like, I don't know, when I hold the edges of this, not that I'm gonna like do that during the day, but it just feels weird. I don't know how to explain it, but it bothers me, that's all I know. I think the floral pattern on it is really pretty. Like I really like this purple color in it, but I don't know, there's something about it that I'm just not loving. So that is everything to try on. It is now time to review everything and decide what I'm taking with me and what I'm sending back. So let's do that. Okay, I am back and it is time to review everything and figure out what I should keep and what I should send back. So the Henley. So the Henley, I thought I was really gonna love this because I'm really into Henleys right now, but it just did not fit like I wanted it to. Like this one's really like flowy and kind of oversized, and that's how I wanted this to fit, and it just didn't. So gonna have to pass on that one. This black top was actually like, it was surprising. I liked it more than I thought I would, so that was kind of nice. It's one of those things like whenever I get basics like this, and I know that's like kind of special with like the cutouts, but because it's just like plain black, I'm like, is it worth keeping? I don't know why I have this thing where I'm like, I want some kind of like statement piece that I'm gonna keep, but then I don't end up wearing them. I don't know. You guys let me know, is this worth keeping or should I pass? I need help. This stripe top I went back and forth on a lot when I had it on, and I still feel like I'm going back and forth on it. There's, I don't know, I like that it's not like a linen material and it's just more of like a cotton blend, like a jersey knit. Like it's a lot softer than some of the other like versions of this top I've seen. So I like that. I think the tie kind of throws me off. Like I feel like it should hit at a different spot maybe. I don't know. Obviously I'm not like super in love with it, so I probably shouldn't keep it, but maybe I should look for something similar to this. Not sure. I feel like this Stitch Fix is kind of like throwing me for a loop. Like I'm not really sure how to feel about any of it. But I don't even remember what guidance I gave them, so I think I was just like, ooh, spring stuff, maybe some boyfriend jeans, so probably my own fault. But I don't think they like missed the mark. Like I would totally wear like all of this stuff, so they definitely like got my style down, but I'm just weird. Overlay, I love the pattern of it. I just wish it was cut a little different. I just want more drapey. Just more chiffon. I think that's what I wanted out of this that I wasn't getting. And then the jeans, I feel like they were a little big. I know they're boyfriend and they're supposed to be big, but I did find some from American Eagle that I like a little bit better. A lot bit better actually, so I'm gonna have to pass on these because I did just buy 2 pairs of jeans because I totally forgot I got this Stitch Fix and asked for jeans. Leave comments below what you think I should keep. If there's something that you're like, no, do not, send back, not for you. Let me know that too because I need your help. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my updated Stitch Fix versus Trunk Club video. It is coming so soon as I get my next trunk, and then I can kind of make notes and compare. I wanted to schedule a Stitch Fix and Trunk Club really close together. That way I could like have it fresh on my mind, compare them again, like updated, and give you guys some more information. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.